$5, $10, all the way up to $1,000. This is how much you're going to be earning with our 3 new and legit gaming apps that we're going to be talking about in today's video. These apps will pay you straight into your PayPal accounts. Just play games and boom, money in your PayPal in a jiffy. Now, we've made a video on gaming before, but these are completely new, completely fresh apps that we've searched far and wide for. And finally, we can now bring you guys the best apps that have just launched and have already paid out so much. And now it's our turn to use these apps to our advantage. Today's apps are 100% free because we would never want you guys to pay just to earn, right? These apps are also very much available to iOS and Android users, so do not worry on that part either. It's also supposed to be available to everyone from all over the world, but the only way to know if it really works and where you're from is to try it. So try it out first, and if something comes up, then simply let us know in the comments down below. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, before anything else, when you actually go on the App Store or the Google Play Store, whatever you prefer, and if you look up earning money apps or make money by playing games, you're going to see a lot of different apps that will pay you, obviously. But the thing is, while the app is running, there are just way too many ads that pop up, and sometimes it can really be annoying. It is a struggle. And they don't even pay you a lot compared to the ones that we're about to show you, of course. Now, enough with the waiting. Let's just get right into it. So the first app is called Cointeply, and to get to their website to read more about them, you can just type in cointeply.com, and that should take you to this page right here. Now, this app pays you to do a lot of different things, and one of those, a lot of different things, would be to actually play games. Now, obviously, this app can be used on both your phone and laptop, but there are still some games that require you to be on your laptop. But again, if you do not have a laptop, don't worry about it, since most of the games can still be accessed through your mobile phone. Anyway, you can actually answer surveys, click on ads. It's really an all-in-one app, which we know that a lot of you love, including us here at Money Shark. Now, what we love about this app too is that they pay out through Bitcoin and other types of coins under the crypto world. And as we all know, crypto has been the talk of the town lately and for months now, and we feel like it will just go up from here. So for sure, if any of you are happy with the news that our first app pays through different types of cryptocurrencies, then make sure that you leave a comment down below so that we know if we should make more videos and more content on platforms that you can pay through Bitcoin. Also, please comment down below what videos you'd like to see. If you have any videos that you want to see in particular, it really helps the channel. So make sure you check this out on the App Store or the Google Play Store to download it and start earning today. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Our second app, our next app, is called swagbucks.com. And we've talked about it before, and the reason for it being in today's video again is because it's great. It always has been, and it still is. And honestly, we would be crazy not to include this website in today's video because we know everyone loved it from our old video that we had, so we obviously had to bring it back. Now, we're not just bringing it back the same old swagbucks.com from a few months ago. This one is the updated one, new bugs that were fixed and everything like that. So it's obviously still a win-win. Anyway, Swagbucks works almost the same as our first website for those new here. It pays us to do a lot of different things as well. And again, playing games is one of those things which we love and which we want you to try out and really focus on, because we know that if you do dive into the game section of this website, then that's where you can make the most money compared to the rest of the thing. But you can obviously do everything else that is available on the website for you, because it will still earn you some pretty good money, if I do say so myself. So just go ahead, go on the website, read more about it, but don't get carried away though, because we have one more website in store and it's just going to get better from here. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our third and our last website for today's video is called Playtest Cloud. And to get to their website to read more about them, as always, you can just type in playtestcloud.com and that should take you to here. Now this website, we are 100,000 million% sure that you guys have never heard about this website on our channel before, and probably anywhere else. Why? Because this is 100% new. This is great. This is probably the best out of the three, and probably the best that we've discovered in a very, very long time. And we're very proud to be able to bring this guys to you firsthand. Now, on this website is where they actually pay you to test games that are yet to be released. That is right. Can you imagine? You'd think that they're already giving you an awesome opportunity, letting you be the first one to try out the game, you know, being like one of the few people who get to test it out. But in the end, it's actually us doing them a huge favor. Plus, we get a huge payout of it, which is insane. Like, we wouldn't think about it that way, right? Because we don't think about it that way. Anyway, all you need to do is click on Become a Tester on the upper right part of your screen. Then proceed to sign up and provide all of the details being asked of you. Follow everything they ask you to do as per instruction, alright? And before you know it, you're already playing never before seen games and even earning big bucks from it. And that is basically everything. Now a little recap, alright? One app will not get you all the money that you desire, but if you combine all the three, first one, cointoply.com. Second one, swagbucks.com. Third one, playtestcloud.com. If you combine all the three, honey, there's nothing else I can tell you except you need to treat us out to something. Or just give this video a like, subscribe. We're so close to 50,000. Totally forgot to thank you guys for 40,000, but thank you for 40,000. We are so close to 50,000. We can literally smell it and taste it. It's right there. So keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, boost this YouTube channel. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.